Okay, for this lesson, you are going to be dividing 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Notice you only have to do 10 of the problems on your worksheet. The worksheet has 20. You can choose 10. Doesn't matter which 10, but you do not have to do them all. So let's go over. This one's going to be about using the partial quotient strategy. The next video will be the standard strategy. So we are going to do 661 divided by 23. Oh, sorry, my pen's being a little goofy. Okay, so let's think about, okay, what do I know? Well, I know 23 times 10 is 230. So let's use that. We can take away 230. We got 10 groups out of it. Okay, look, we can take out another 10 groups. Again, this is not always the most efficient strategy, but it will work. So 1, 0, 2. Okay, I can't do another 10 groups because it's not big enough. So let's see. What if I do 5 groups? That's 15. That's 11. You could always use the lattice or the window method to say, okay, that works. So if I do 23 times 5, I get 115. And subtract that. Can't do 1 minus 5. Can't borrow from the 0, so I need to borrow from here. That becomes 10, but then I need to borrow from it, so it becomes 9. Then I have 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, 86. Well, 5 was too many, so let's try 23 times, let's do 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. So then I have 69. That works. 23 times 3. Don't necessarily have to worry about if I can get closer. As long as it's less than, it works. 16 minus 9 is 7. And 1, so 17. And that is now less than 23. So I am good. I know that will be my remainder. Now I have to see how many groups was that. Well, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. So I was able to get 28 groups, and then I had 17 left over. So that's how I can use the partial quotients method for a 3 divided by a 2-digit number. I'll do another example, and you can always get more help if you need. So if I have 802 divided by 39. Now, sometimes, depending on how big the numbers are, partial quotients don't work particularly well. Let's say if I had something like 495 divided by 87. Well, I can't even get 10 groups, because if I do 87 times 10, that is 870, which is too big. So then I'm essentially guessing, like, okay, 5, can I get 5? Can I get 4? Can I get 3? I think the partial quotients method works the best when I can get at least one group of 10 out. Okay, back to the problem. So 39 times 10 is 390. Subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 9, I cannot do that, so I need to borrow that 7. Then I get 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. 412. Look, I can do it again. I can take another 10 groups of 39 out. So I can subtract it again. 1 minus 9, I can't do it, so borrow. That's 11. 11 minus 9 is 2, which is less than 39. So boom, look. 20 groups, remainder 22. And yes, the group or the remainder is kind of big, but as long as it's less than my divisor, then we are good. If you want me to do more examples, I am more than happy to do more examples with you, because I know division can be tricky. Again, remember, only do 10 of the problems. Good luck.